All right, guys, let's do some cleaning. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. Today, we're going to be checking out these Ryobi handheld battery-powered pressure washers. Now, these things look almost identical. Check it out. You couldn't tell the difference, but there's one distinct difference between these two. First off, this is the 18-volt platform right here, and this guy right here with the bigger bottom is the 40-volt platform. Now, both of these pressure washers are rated at 600 PSI at 0.7 gallons per minute. Andrew, how can I use a battery-powered portable pressure washer? And does that replace a regular gas pressure washer or electric pressure washer? And the answer's no. However, see this guy right here? This is a Works battery-powered pressure washer, very similar to the Ryobi in idea and concept, different in power and performance, but let me tell you how I use this every day. You see, I still have this. This could have just gone away if I didn't like it. So how I use this is it's completely portable. You can see I've got a regular soda bottle down here that holds the water. It's battery powered, and I just hang it on my garage wall for days when I need to clean my shoes, clean a mountain bike, wash my lawnmower. I just pull it out and use it. So let's go over some of the features of these Ryobi EZClean pressure washers. Now, the first model we're going to look at is right here. This is a 1 Plus model. The 1 Plus line is Ryobi's 18-volt line. So essentially, the pressure washer between the 40-volt and the 18-volt are identical, meaning anything from here, the battery compartment, all the way forward. So let's talk about some of the features up here, and then I'll talk about how the battery makes a difference in performance of this pressure washer. So up here, you've got a clicking nozzle, which I really like. That's the turbo right there. You can see turbo. So that will give you some sort of rotational pressure washer in there. That's probably the one you're going to use most often. Here you have the 15-degree nozzle right there. And lastly, you have a rinse nozzle. So the nice thing about them is there's no nozzles to put in. You just click it however you like it. Now, you can remove the nozzle by pushing this button right here, and they have some adapters that go right into the pressure washer. We're going to talk about them later. Let's talk about what it looks like stock. Now, next you have the body, which looks like they kind of converted a drill and put a pump on it. Here's your connector. Now, this connector can connect to a garden hose. It can draw water from a lake or a bucket. And lastly, you can connect the bottle, just like how I showed you with that other model. Now, the thing that's different about these EZClean pressure washers is down here. This is the 18-volt version, and you can see they have a waterproof storage right here. Here's a 1 Plus 18-volt battery. This happens to be a 4 amp hour battery. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a 2 amp hour, a 4, a 6, all the way up to a 9. All that will do is not change the power, it'll change the runtime. So if you need maximum runtime, you're gonna have to look at the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt 9 amp hour battery. Now, as I said, here's the other pressure washer. This is the 40-volt model. You can see it says it right there. What's different about this model is the case down below is waterproof just like the other one, but you can see it's a lot larger, which makes this pressure washer more cumbersome. Here's the two. You can see the difference there. Up top, there's no difference at all. It's down below in the battery compartment. So I think I prefer the 18-volt version just because of the size. It feels more cumbersome this way. And remember, you're gonna be holding it. So this one might wear you out a little bit faster than this one would. Anyway, so let's look at some of the other accessories that come with these pressure washers. So the first adapter you get with both the Ryobi EZCleans is this guy right here. This is a standard hose adapter. The hose connects to this end and it plugs in there. Next, we have the bottle adapter. Again, that goes right in there. The bottle screws to the bottom right here. You fill it with water, and then you can do absolutely portable cleaning. Here we go, one more. So the last accessory that's included with the Ryobi EZClean is right here. This is basically the hose adapter, and what's nice about this is if you live in a city and you want to wash your car, you can basically get a 5-gallon bucket of water, bring it down, plug in the battery, do your cleaning. You don't need a connection to a hose. You don't need an electrical outlet. You're absolutely off the grid cleaning. Let's go do some cleaning. So I just completed a full day of cleaning with this Ryobi EZClean portable battery powered pressure washer. So there'll be a link to this pressure washer right down below. Now, overall, I am very impressed with the capability of this pressure washer. Now, let me give you some parameters. So if you're the guy who's like, I got a tractor and it's got caked on mud, it's dirty from the top to the bottom, will it work? The answer is it'll make it wet, but will it clean it? Maybe not. Now, if you're the guy who lives in the city, you want to clean your car real easy without hassle, really good option. Also, if you got like something like a mountain bike, great for that. You don't have to mess around with hoses and power. This is it. This will do your cleaning right here for you. That's pretty easy, and trust me, I use it in this setup a bunch, probably once a week, so I'm really excited to replace my old one at 300 PSI with this one at 600. I could feel the difference in power, so I'm saying 600 is pretty satisfactory in its capability of cleaning. Now again, if you're that guy with the really dirty tractor, there'll be a video right down below for you. I actually reviewed a Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer. Thing is nasty. It will take off your fingers. This thing just hurts. That'll take your fingers off, and definitely you're caked on mud. So go and check out that video. It'll be right there. We'll go watch it together. Also, make sure you subscribe, like this video, check out all my other content, guys. And with that, let's call it a day.